Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Like I told you, today we are going to be discussing how to produce hair cream in a cheaper way. So, as you can see on your screen, I am using petroleum jelly, and this petroleum jelly, as you are looking at it, is the second grade of petroleum jelly. It is very cheap, and I only sell it to my students, those that have enrolled for my training. For example, this petroleum jelly, you should know, is the basis of hair cream production. And you know, presently it is selling for 3,500 per kg. Let me know on the comment section how much they sell petroleum jelly in your area. But in my area, it is sold 3,500 per kg. But this petroleum jelly, I'm going to give it to my students that have enrolled for training at 1,500 per kg. So automatically, you are already making a profit of 2,000 naira even before production. So if you enroll, you will understand how easy, or if you have been into hair cream business, you should know that there is no much gain in anything you do with petroleum jelly. For example, things like Vaseline or hair cream or shea butter cream and all whatnot. The profit margin is not much based on the high price of petroleum jelly, paraffin oil, and all whatnot. So if you make use of this petroleum jelly, this second grade, you will enjoy the production. It is the same thing with the first one. So first grade, so don't look at the first grade. I'm bringing in this first grade for you to know that it is the same thing, just for you to know. So but this other one has color, a dark color, while this first grade has pure white color. Definitely you cannot use this second grade for things like Vaseline, but this hair cream that I want to do, or balm, you can use it for balm, you can use it for hair cream, you can use it for shea butter, things that you can easily color. If you are going to put color into your product, then it can go for you, but things like Vaseline, I'm sorry, it cannot go. So on this production, we are going to be using this petroleum jelly in order to cut our cost to the barest minimum. As you can see, this is it, and I will be melting it before I will start adding every other ingredient. Do you get? You can see this is the type A and this is the type B, but they're of the same thing, the same grade, just that, you know, for my special students, I will tell them the difference. So I'll be putting it into the microwave for it to melt now. Then from there we will move. So this is the melted petroleum jelly. I've melted everything together. So it's not hot. It's not too hot. It's not too hot, but just heat enough to melt it. So the next thing is to add all my raw materials that we will turn it into hair cream. So I have my um, paraffin oil. I have my color black. I want to use color black. Some people may decide to use color green. Those are the common colors we have in hair cream. Black, green, some yellow, and some leave it like that. They don't have transparent. They just leave it colorless. Then I have my pine oil and the phenol. This one will take care of dandruff and anything that is scratching, itching women on their hair. You understand? So many people testify to the fact that after using these products, the scratching that is happening in their hair stopped. So this takes the credit. I have the It's all crystal. This one opens the pores of the hair in order to make new hair growth to easily come out. It has a soothing effect. When it's working, it will open the pores, the holes on the scalp of the head. So it will make room for new hair growth to boost out. So I have my fragrance perfume to give it a blend of aroma. So nothing much, just to start adding. So I add my paraffin oil. This paraffin oil will also make the hair cream to be shiny. To be shiny. No, petroleum jelly is not that shiny when you rub it on the body. If there is any particle in this oil, you understand, it will set when I because I don't have much container to contain everything now. So I will just cook the little that I want and fill in those jars. So but the bottom line is that at the end of the day, when I get to the bottom of the pot, all the debris will settle there. So that is where I will now throw it away. I will take the main part, which is the oil and the hair cream. So since I am using this for hair cream, I don't have issue. You understand? Since I'm going for black, so the paraffin will do, the petroleum jelly will not be a problem for me. The only challenge is that if you want to do, what's it called? Vaseline. Vaseline used to come out very pure white, so we may not want to use this type of jelly to get it done. So it looks greenish, but at the end of the day, it's black that it will turn out to be. So here we go. Even this one. You need to be careful on the amount of phenol you put in your hair cream so that you don't burn people's hair. So that's why you need to come for training. Let me tell you the exact amount of the ingredients that I'm putting. It is easy to see it the way I'm doing now, but you don't know the exact measurement that I'm using. That is where you need to consult me. If not, if you go and add anyhow anything and you burn people's hair, don't call my name. I'm only doing this for educational purpose. So that is that. Because some people are too wise. They believe that once they see anything they see, you understand? You see, that's how they saw it. They will not bother to go and pay and get the right information, the full information. If you say, I too know, I too know.
So this is the label. This is the label I use for products. But this is for the big container. This is for the big container. So I will cut, because of the small container that I'm doing, I will cut it. See it, I will cut it small out of this one. Once I cut here, and then I will now cut here. So I will get something like this. So I will now get something like this. So that I will now wrap it like this. See it. See it. So this one is 200. This one is 200. It's bigger than the other company, like Soulmates, like other company that have their own 200 naira, or their own used to be smaller. If you notice, my own is even bigger. So I said this one 300 or 500. If I like, I said 200. So that's that.